What if I tell you guys the biggest standing between you and your success is not the lack of your skill, your competitors, or your environment, but it is your ego? If you have ever struggled with pride, insecurities, or chasing success for the wrong reason, this one is for you. Ego is not confidence or ambition, but it is an unhealthy belief in your own importance. Ego is the enemy of humility, growth, and success. In this video, you will learn how to recognize, resist, and defeat ego at three different stages of your life. Number one, the aspiring state. A state when you are chasing something. Then comes the success stage, when you have achieved something. And number three, the failure stage, if you have lost something or are struggling to achieve something. Now let's start with the aspiring state. During your aspiring state, ego prevents you from learning. If you are dreaming, building, or chasing your goals, ego says to you, you already know enough. Already know enough. You deserve more. You should be famous for now. But this attitude prevents you from growth. There are some points that you should remember when you are in your aspiring state. Always be open to learning. Do not talk too much about what you are going to do. Just do it and let your work speak for you. Detach yourself from the need of recognition. It is said impressing people is utterly different than truly being impressive. So now let's begin with stage 2, the success stage. During your success stage, ego prevents you from staying grounded. After achieving something, ego says to you, you are so special now. No rules apply to you. You don't need anyone's help. Your behavior leads to arrogance, isolation, and fragility. So, after achieving something, here are some points that you should keep in your mind. Don't let early wins prevent you from success. Avoid validation addiction. Likes, applause, and titles won't fulfill you. In the said, ego shortens your ability to learn, to be flexible, and to adapt. Here we can take the example of Steve Jobs, who was once fired from the Apple company due to his ego and later came back with a better version of himself. In this example, we learn that surround yourself with truth tellers and not flatterers. Share credit, celebrate team wins, and not on your own. Take the feedback of others seriously. Coming to stage 3, the failure. This stage, ego makes it harder to recover. When things go wrong, ego screams to you, it's not my fault, I deserve better. It's all their fault. At the time of failure, you should always remember, do not take failure as a threat, but take it as a teacher as you learn from your mistake. Detach identity from outcome. Failing in something doesn't mean that you are a failure. It's not one who can avoid failure, it's who can recover quickly, learn, and keep going.